people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about a company that has over 100 different credit cards, where if you get approved for one of them, then you know your chances of getting approved for the other ones is very likely. So that company, you guys, is Synchrony Bank. Now, like I told you guys, it's over 100 different credit cards. I'm going to go over Lowe's, Old Navy, Gaap, Amazon, Walgreens. That's just a few of them. We're going to go over those today, and then I'm going to show you the full list of credit cards so that you guys can go ahead and check out those credit cards. But the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Lowe's credit card. Me being in real estate, I always think that everybody should have some type of credit card. So like a Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards. So I'm definitely happy that this card is on the list with Synchrony Bank. And the best thing about it too is you can get a personal credit card or you can get business credit card if you guys are into business. And you can also see if you pre-qualify too. So that means you don't have to just take that risk like, oh my gosh, am I going to get approved or not? See if you can pre-qualify for it. And if they can pre-qualify you for one of the credit cards, then perfect. Go ahead and get it. Now, don't forget, this is Synchrony Bank. We're talking Transunion credit pools, you guys. So make sure your Transunion credit score is, I would say up to par. You don't have many negative accounts, and then you guys shouldn't have a hard time getting these credit cards. So Transunion credit pools usually for all of these different credit cards because it is through Synchrony Bank. The next company I want to talk to you guys about is Old Navy. So Old Navy, they got two different credit cards. You can get just a regular store card, or you can get the credit card with the Visa, basically. And actually, they have both of them is actually Visa, so you can apply for both of them. But look and see what's the benefits of having each card. Now, that's for people that's really into shopping at Old Navy too. That this card would be very beneficial with them, because you can see that you can get 30% off your first purchase, which is really good. And if you have this credit card here, you can get 20% bonus points each quarter. So that's really good. 5 points for every dollar, $5 rewards for every 500 points earned. So yeah, there's a lot of things that you guys will get as benefits for having this credit card. But here is the credit card, you guys. If you're interested in applying for it, make sure you go to the website. I'll make sure I have all these different credit cards linked down below also. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Care Credit. When I first started getting into, before I knew anything about credit repair or anything like that, I paid off my debts and I was like, okay, I need to get a credit card. And at that time I was thinking, oh, do I want to get my breast done? Do I want to get, and I want to get my teeth done. I had to get a root canal on one of my teeth. So I applied for the Care Credit and I got approved for it. My doctor uses Care Credit, so it was like perfect. But I just never used my Care Credit. I never ended up using it though. But there was, when I first started off, I gave me like $1,000 limit, but my credit was not good at that time. Yeah, that's acceptable because my credit was not good. But you can actually pre-qualify for this credit card, so they can tell you whether or not you're approved for it. Usually with Care Credit, you're looking at $5,000. You're looking at a high amount that you want to get because they're assuming that you're going to use this on some type of medical expense where your insurance does not cover it. So that's really what Care Credit is for. So some people, I think they can even use it for like their pets and things like that. But they have how it works, so you guys can definitely figure out exactly how this works. But they're going to pull your Transunion credit score, credit report, and they can pre-qualify you. So definitely check out the pre-qualification. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Visa, not the Visa. I want to talk to you guys about the Verizon credit card. So the Verizon credit card is under Synchrony Bank. I don't want to say too much about this credit card other than you can get up to $200 in credits when you sign up for it. And then this offer is going to end on the 4th. So we don't have that much time. You're going to get 4% on the grocery store and gas stations, 3% on dining, including takeout. That's really good. 2% on Verizon purchases and 1% on all other purchases. So that's really good, you guys. I like that you guys are actually going to get benefits from having this card. So that's good. And this is actually a Visa card and there's no annual fee at all. So if you guys are interested in this card, especially if you guys have Verizon, this would be a good card to get, especially you're getting all of this. The 4%, 3%, 2%, 1%. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys is the Gaap credit card. When I tried to look up the Gaap credit card, they kind of sent me right to the pre-approval where, not the pre-approval, to the approval to the application where they want to put our last 4 digits of my social security number in, and then also my phone number. But this credit card is very similar to Old Navy. Don't forget, it's through Synchrony Bank, so it's very similar to Old Navy. So everything I said about Old Navy, kind of think about that with this credit card. Just you will have certain benefits just with your Gaap. So the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Amazon credit card. So we went over Amazon credit card a few days ago. So when it come down to the Amazon credit card, you guys, you can get a $150 gift card instantly upon approval. So sometimes if you already a member, you should already be a member of Amazon. When you have the items in your cart, they'll say, hey, you can pay less. You can pay this amount instead, depending on how much is in your cart. Or don't pay anything at all. That's because they want to give you that $150 gift card as soon as you sign up for Amazon, which I'm down for, y'all. I like that. And you guys will get 5% back at Amazon. So that's really good. 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores. 1% back on utilities, rideshare, and all other purchases. And then 5% back at Whole Foods with your eligible Prime membership. So you guys should definitely have that Prime membership. I have to buy something at Whole Foods, so that's really good for my little ones. I'm going to make them some marshmallows. So and I need the vegan kind. So definitely, you guys, Amazon is a great choice. They also had a pre-approval where you can see if you pre-qualify, but just make sure you have your Prime membership, and they should go ahead and see if they can pre-qualify you. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Walgreens credit card. I did this credit card, a total review on this credit card a while back. I really like this credit card because it's MasterCard for one thing, and you can see if you can pre-qualify for it. So just like I told you guys, if you don't want to get that hard pull, just see if you can pre-qualify for these credit cards. To me, that's the best thing. It's like, tell me yes or no, and then I'll apply for it. But if you tell me no, then I know I can just try another credit card, and you didn't give me a hard inquiry. So definitely, you guys try to see if you can pre-qualify for this credit card. They got different rewards depending on, what you're going to buy. So you guys will get 10% on Walgreens branded purchases. Walgreens starting to create, well, they already started creating their own products, whereas Walgreens brand. So that's really good. And 5% on the pharmacy and all other brands. That's really good also. But definitely, you guys, if you're interested in sign up for the Walgreens credit card, I'm going to make sure I link the video here so you guys can definitely check that Walgreens video out before you actually really apply for it. But first, I want you guys to always see if y'all can pre-qualify for a credit card. Just check and see first. Always check. One less hard inquiring. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the PayPal credit cards. So PayPal has their own type of credit card you guys can get, and you guys will have the credit. And they have the thing too right here where you no interest if paid in full in 6 months on every purchase of $99. So that's really good. So, I mean, you can buy something and you're not going to get charged interest at all if you pay within that 6 months. So definitely, you guys, if you're interested in that PayPal credit card, you definitely can apply for that PayPal credit card. I seen a video out there about increasing your limit on your PayPal credit card. So maybe I'll make another video about that to you guys. But definitely, this is the PayPal credit card, and it's with Synchrony Bank. So they're going to pull your Transunion credit report. Last but not least, is the Ashley home store credit card. This is for people that, some people want to get furniture. We're buying houses out here, right? So I want you guys to try to see if you can pre-qualify for this credit card. They're going to tell you yes or no, and it shouldn't be a hard pull on your credit reports, which is the best part. So I really suggest if you guys just bought your home, you want to get you some new furniture, maybe you should pre-qualify for this credit card. And look, you guys, depending on how much you actually purchase, you guys can do like a 0 interest. So that's really good. That is really good, you guys. So that means if you guys buy something for $1,500 you guys will have 60 months to pay that off. So that's really good. They'll go ahead and break these different things up depending on how much you actually spend. But pre-qualify for this credit card is with Synchrony Bank, and they're going to pull your Transunion credit report. Now, one more credit card is just rooms to go, just in case you guys I don't like Ashley Home home store, then definitely go ahead and try to get the rooms to go credit card. This looked very similar to the application that Gaap showed me, but they want the last four digits of your social and your phone number. But don't forget, this company, Synchrony Bank, they have over 100 different credit cards. So I want to show you, like, here's all the different credit cards that they have, you guys. They have Walmart on the list, but Walmart is now with Capital Bank, Capital One. So that's no longer on the list. But you guys, look at all of these different credit cards. There's so many that you can actually apply for. So you can go down this full list and see if you want to get any of the credit cards. And then apply for them. Some of these have pre-approvals too, you guys. So you can actually get pre-approved for this credit card before you actually apply for it. But if you guys have any questions for me, definitely go ahead and drop them in the comments. If you want me to make you a special video, drop it in the comments. And make sure you put some hearts or some type of emoji by it so it can catch my attention. And I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters, but say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.